Hey everybody, so someone wanted me to show them how to make this part. Yeah, this part here. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna quickly export it. So the app I'll be using is All-Light Motion and CapCut. So you want to add your video in. 1 minute. Split it where the audio is. And then where the audio is, go to effects, video effects, trending. We got all this. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah, here. Drag it into the end. I'm gonna zoom. So now pick your color that you want. I'm gonna pick the same purple. I feel like purple felt powerful in some sort of way. So here, export this. All-Light Motion project. Go to effects, tiles, add mirror, yep, it's doing it. Here we are. Split it. Oh wait, I made a mistake. 1 minute. I made a mistake. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. I have to redo though. I had to unmute this tiles mirror. This. So you want to add a keyframe. No, we gotta make this bigger. For the size, so this one. Okay, go here to keyframe. Go like this. Okay, let's try. Then make another keyframe. And it should look something like this. Yeah, it should look something like that. That's all. Bye.